Now I know YB ain't have them girls put the pause on his baby mother like that.
I think it's very rude to comment under people's stuff and be like, why are you telling us? Tell the police. First of all, these are my accounts. I could tell whoever I want. Look at my eye. And I got my baby back. Feel how you want to feel about it. But the fact of the matter is, everything that he's put me through and everything that he's ever did to me, I never let it affect him and KL's relationship. That's hella bitter. I'm not bitter. If I don't like you, I don't like you, but I've never been bitter. When KL turned 6 months, that was the first time he ever went there. I took him by himself. It was getting a little upset when you start trying to tell me I could do weekends and stuff. Now you're with my head. I even told him, I said, I even let KL stay for your birthday. There be so many people voicing their opinions in my life about how I shouldn't do this or don't do that, and I don't listen. It's been plenty of times when I said KL's not going back to his dad's house and I sent him back, because I can't do that. I can't just keep a kid away from his dad. But this is just scandalous. You hurt my feelings with that one, because you let them do that with my son in my hands. It's like, okay, if you don't give a about me, that's cool. But damn, you don't give a about KL either, because let's be real. If your mom's baby daddy let some bitch do that to your mom, you would be ready to paint the town red, bitch.
Because touch me while I'm holding my kid, you're going to jail today.
I already had got KL. I'm out of the house. I'm in this car. I was in this car. I was sitting right here. I'm running to the car okay, look. When we was in the fucking house, he told them to block the door. Like, they really not trying to give me my kid. These was really keep trying to take my son from me. Like, why? Y'all, first of all, need to stay the fuck out of it. 2, I'm trying to run to the car. I'm unlocking the door. I get in on this side. I'm thinking I'm hurry up and locking it. Pop this door open. So I got this bitch at this door and this bitch at this door. She keep trying to grab KL. I'm literally hugging my baby tight. Like, you're not grabbing him. Like, that's out. You're not grabbing my son. And this is just real. This is a real juicy story. I want to share it. I don't give a you, your image. Everybody who stand with you and stand for all that weak shit you do. His problem is, he tell them something, they gonna do it. Y'all know why he don't like me? Me and Contrell be like this. This is what y'all really don't know. When we cool, we be like this. He don't like me because he can't talk to me crazy. He can't talk to me however he want. And you get that same energy back. When it comes to me, when he's in front of me, you get a mirror. It's a mirror. However you treat me is how I want to treat you. But back to the story. I'm right there. This little ugly not age, the other little ugly, I booted that in her face too. She start trying to take off on me while I got KL. Then they tried to throw out there that I'm holding KL so I don't have to fight. No. Because none of y'all came with me one-on-one. And 2, y'all all keep trying to grab my son. Y'all keep trying to grab him. That's why I'm holding him. Y'all keep trying to take him from me. And I'm not letting you take him. I did not fly all the way out here and get a rental car and drive a whole hour up in the mountains just to y'all thought I was really finna let y'all get him. That's just crazy. I think it's pretty sick how y'all even felt like you would have to take a child from his mother.
It's all good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.